Hello and welcome to another update video about LINK. LINK performs quite well today. Across the board, rather red or a very mixed bag today, the crypto market. Yeah, it's a mixed bag today. But LINK is actually performing well. That's already sort of in line with what we've seen over the last few days. Quite pleased with what I see, that LINK is actually following here the sketched out roadmap to the upside. Bear in mind, the idea was that possibly Wave 4 already finished here when the price dipped into our support area on Monday, the 8th of January, to this trend reversal area. The trend reversal seems to be unfolding and it's following through to the upside, probably towards the $18.30 level. And that's why is that level so important? Well, I mean, there are a few levels that are important now. I mean, it's just entering resistance again from support. We had two support areas to which the price reacted. Yeah, one defined here between 12.88 and 9.75, and the next one after the price, showed an initial reaction between $13.15 and $14.04. But important is obviously this green line because it is the significant resistance, the first swing high, or the next significant swing high, previous swing high, that showed some resistance in April 22. So I think that's going to be relevant before we get to the ideal target for wave 5, which starts at $21. But there is micro resistance that now needs to be broken. Shared it with you in yesterday's video. We've got micro resistance around $16.10. We've not broken that. Then we've got obviously all these swing highs which might be relevant. So it's an entire resistance range we're entering now, starting at $16.60, which is the third wave high, goes all the way up to $18.30, I'd say. So this is, however, what a C wave should ideally do. What we can also do, I mean, if this count is correct, and this indeed was wave A, then we go to the low of the B wave, and the 100% extension level, that's sort of the very first level to watch really, is at $17.15, and that's pretty much in line with that swing high that formed in December. The 1.236 extension, also a common target for a C wave, it's at $18.10. So we've got sort of that range there to really watch. But all I can say is it's progressing, it's going according to script. We just need to be aware that there might be frequent changes of the micro count. At the moment it's not needed because it's following, but we are dealing here with a messy ABC structure. I could be wrong about the entire structure from the June lows. Yeah, so the June lows, obviously here around $5. The idea is that this move up is a diagonal pattern. But what if it is an impulse? I mean, if something is a 5-wave move here within the wave 1 or a 3-wave move, that's to a degree subjective. If it is an impulse, what we see here, then I can say that probably the 5th wave is not an impulse, at least. It's an ending diagonal. So either wave 5 unfolds as a 3-wave move or a 5-wave move. But if it's a 5-wave move, it's an ending diagonal. Ending diagonal patterns are very, very messy. We have to just prepare for frequent wave count changes. Whether it's an ABC structure or a 5-wave move in an ending diagonal doesn't make a great difference. But we'll see if the market gives us some further clues if this is going to turn into a 5-wave move or a stays a 3-wave move. I think we shouldn't see, it's not going to be a major difference anyway, okay, from a structural point of view. Both are corrective. Essentially, the subwaves are corrective. Yeah, but so far it's looking good, so I don't think there's much more to add. If you're looking for a key support level, so my key level would still be down here, so against which we can focus on higher, still around $13.63, the low that was formed on Friday, the 13th, no, Friday the 12th, okay. And then obviously there is the nearest support is at $14.75. That's my update about LINK. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.